Life is full of up and downs, so be strong and never give up. Today we are going to start the numerical of chapter Light, chapter 10. But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel Acad Shala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all. So the numerical goes on like this. An object 2 cm in size is placed 30 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? What will be the nature and size of the image formed? And also we have to draw a ray diagram to show the formation of the image in this case. Now students, we have to do so many things in this numerical. So the first thing we have to do is, as I always tell you, we have to write that what is given in the numerical, right? So what we will do, we will check the numerical and then we will start writing what is given. That is height of the object, which is given 2 cm as seen in the numerical. And now u is minus 30 cm. Why I have taken minus 30 cm? As I told you also in the previous numerical, that always keep it in mind that u is always and always negative. That is, we have to see it is concave mirror or which mirror, and it will be always negative. So I have written u is equal to minus 30 cm. And f is what? That is 15 cm over here. But why I have taken the negative sign? Because it is on the left hand side. According to the mirror which I have seen it, it is a concave mirror. So the focal length will be in the negative. Okay. So now what we have to find out, as it is seen in the numerical, so we have to find out v, we have to find out m, and then we have to find out the height of the image. So three things we have to find out, and in the last we have to also show the ray diagram also for the formation of the image. In this case, whatever we are going to solve now over here on the screen. So after writing all these, what is given and what we have to find out, now we will take the help of the formula. So the formula says 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Now after writing the formula, we will quote the values which is given over here in the numerical over here straight away. So 1 upon f is, that is 1 upon minus 15, because over here I told you about the negative sign because it is on the left hand side, so I have taken negative. So 1 upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon v, and this plus minus will be minus and 1 upon 30 because u is 30, so I have written over here, and this minus sign, that is plus minus, will be minus over here. After this, then we will solve further. I will take this and I will put it over here. So it will become, that is 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon v. Then we will take the LCM and all, and then we will further calculate. It will come out to be minus 1 upon 30 is equal to 1 upon v, and then v is minus 30 centimeter. So what we have done, we have taken out the value of v, which has come out to be minus 30 centimeter. Now the next step we have to find out is magnification. Now magnification formula is minus v upon u. So always take care, students, that over here the students do the mistake that they do not actually see the negative sign over here and they ignore, or by mistake they do not write, and then the calculation goes wrong. And if the calculation goes wrong, the sign convention really matters a lot, children. So if it is minus, it plays a vital role. If it is positive, it plays a vital role. So the negative over here, the minus sign, you have to take in consideration. Very, very important. That is why I'm focusing over here where the students go wrong also. So please take care about this point. So m is equal to minus v upon u. So I will put m is equal to minus, and then in the bracket I will put the value of minus 30 over here, and upon u, that is u is minus 30. Calculate, this gets cancelled.
So I get 1 upon 1, and with the negative sign, so I get that is m is equal to minus 1. So now this is also very important point over here. The value which I have got in the negative sign, that plays a vital role. So that we will do it further. Now after this, now we have to find out that is the height of the image. So the formula is m is equal to hi upon ho, and we will put the value of m, that is minus 1 over here, and then hi upon 2. So height of this image will be minus 1, cross multiply, minus 1 into 2, and this has come out to be minus 2 centimeter. I have taken out also the height of the image, which has come out to be minus 2 centimeter. Now this minus sign indicates that the image is pointing downward. Always make this point very, very clear, children. So that is why I'm focusing on sign conventions, very, very important. Try to understand before solving. That is why I told you in the last numerical, one step ahead you have to think about it in the numerical. Okay. After this, the magnification value which has come out to be m is equal to minus 1. With the help of this value, we will take out the nature. So what it is, if it is m is equal to, now again we will forget about for some time the, the sign over here, negative sign, we will ignore, and we will only concentrate on the one value. So if it is m is equal to 1 value, so it is of the same size. Okay. Now second is that if it is minus, that means it will be inverted. Very good. I have written inverted also. And if it is inverted, it is automatically real. Always keep it in mind, children, wherever you write inverted, so real, it will be automatically. So without thinking, write down inverted and real immediately. Okay. After this, as I told you in the last numerical also, that while seeing the values, you come to know about the position. That is, it is at C. Correct, children? So this is also done. So all the 4 points we have written. Now the last step which they have asked us in the numerical is draw a ray diagram to show the formation of the image in this case. So the image which we will form is over here. Just see on the screen board. We will make the diagram, and I have made it a freehand diagram. So when you practice, children, on and on with your hands, of course, you can do it with your free hand also. Believe me. Have this confidence in yourself. Please keep on doing the written work with your hands, and one day will come that you will do it with your free hand also. So this is the way you have to draw the diagram. So the ray diagram should be in your mind, and immediately you can draw it, because once you practice so many times, and when the numerical is there in front of you, immediately it comes in your mind. Of course, this is the ray diagram which I have to make according to the values which I see in the numerical, and the demand in the numerical, the language you see, and make the diagram. Correct, children? So I've made it, the object, I've kept it over here, and then the ray comes like this, goes through the focus, and then this ray comes towards the focus and then goes parallel. And then when we see that this comes, the image comes out on the same position, that is up over here and under that, and with the arrow pointing downwards. That is why it is said to be inverted image. So this is the way you should know it. What is P, what is F, what is C, and then you can make the ray diagram very, very easily. So this finishes your this type of numerical, which is really very important. So many things we have to find out in the numerical, which I have done in front of you. So keep on revising, children. With this, I wind up the numerical for today. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless. Take care.